When I started the review of all these switches, okay, all the switches that you see and that I have written my short review, personal preference only, I remember thinking that this must not be the way. So what I have done is I have ordered the minimum quantity of each switches that were there, 20 switches of each, and then I swapped little parts of them as you saw in the YouTube shorts, and I tried to make a conclusion from them. But today what happened was I was on these switches. These are, I think these are the honey peach. Let me just confirm it. I think these are the honey peach, and on the top door there is the silver, the transparent one. So what is the brown one called? That's yellow silver. Okay, brown is yellow silver, and this is crystal linear. Yeah, okay, so not honey peach, so yellow silver and crystal linear. I'm going to talk about the yellow silver. I made a lot of mistakes on these switches, a lot of mistakes. And even my sister also, she basically gave me the keyboard. She said, I make a lot of mistakes, just take them away. So I took the switch and I'm doing them right now. So I given her the white without lettering blue switches, and she's fine with that. I really like the red panda. The problem is once I swap out all the switches. If I do not swap out all the switches, it will never be a complete test, and that's the reality. First, I thought I made two shots earlier that I deleted. First, I thought that I will only test these part of the keyboard, but I actually use whole keyboard while I'm working. In my day-to-day work, my hands are running all over the places. I can't tell you a switch that I don't use on a daily basis. Even the tilde, I use that a lot. All the function key, almost all of them I use. Maybe not directly, maybe with the function key to lower volume or something, but yes, I do use them. Even the scroll lock, I use that almost daily. So, and numpad, I cannot even live without it, and that's the reason I'm not even recommending keyboard. So my point is, what happened was today was I was suddenly typing something, and some word came that was basically in these two rows only. The third row is actually the red panda switches. So these are the red panda, more like the clicky switches. Although there was something here, and I hovered my keys over it. I hovered my keys over the keyboard, and I just typed like this, very, 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 lightly. Because these have the, if you remember the yellow silver, these have a travel distance of just 1.3 mm. Now, had I, if I had the red panda is 0.5 mm, but I'm not sure the actual on the actuation force. I don't care what's written on the spec sheet here. I'm telling you from what I'm seeing that these switches are much lighter to type on than the red panda ones. Okay, and if you check in yellow silver, I had actually recommended as no. So you know what? This is not a proper review, if I'm being honest. This needs to be done again. This needs to be done again. This will be review. This can be preview or something, and even then I will actually hide it. Okay, I am being honest. This is not how it was supposed to go. Okay, what is going on? Scroll lock is on my bed. I told you I use it on a daily basis. When you are not, no, hold it. I don't remember where the options are. I use all the shortcuts, so it was shift alt and right arrow. So I need to do a review of all of these again. This I already know. Excellent if you live work alone, if you work alone. That is the main thing with the blue switches. They are very loud, as you can hear, but they are excellent if you work alone. Whatever else that we are looking for is something that's not as loud, but still is, I tried the tactical switches, which are silent and tactical. I don't know, man. I don't know. I didn't like them. I didn't like them so much. I cannot say. Maybe when I get the proper, hot circle switches, I will try the G Pro and all the cosmic, sorry, cherry brown switches. But for now, I think the next one that I'm really interested in is the yellow silver. I really like the red panda, but mainly the main reason I like the red panda is because they are very close to blues, and I already have blues, so I want to try something new. And I'm being honest, even though I said that I do not like them, maybe if I change my typing style a bit, don't type don't type all the way down like I usually type, and as you can see, that's how much I usually type on a daily basis. Yeah, today has not been done yet. It is easily come up to 3000 words. It matters. I remember doing the keyboard test, the typing test, and my hands actually started to pain. So yeah, that is the reality of it, that these are previews, these are not reviews. Even though I thought that this can be done with it, no, there is no way this is happening. There is no way that this is going to happen. Okay, the only way to do it is now order each switches for the whole keyboard. So how many switches are these? I think 104 or something. I removed 20 for them because I have 20 of each. I need like 80 switches for each, so that's 4 packs. The cost is for the what is the cost for? I think the cost is for per 100 switches. Okay, so a little less than these. Almost the cost of a new keyboard. With that said, make sure to visit the website and click on the affiliate links or donate. That is the only way this is going to happen. No one is going to, no Atomo or Geek Switches company are going to sponsor this video, this channel. Like, keep using those links, especially the Amazon one, that actually works.